Hi people, it's my box to cement today. So I show you what's happening in my area right now. We're experiencing sandstorm. It's really terrible here. Now look at everywhere is dusty, sandy, and so wow. This like it's been happening like about this like 20 minutes. Did you see that? Everything is raising, moving. Dust everywhere. I bet this is not safe for somebody to just walk around without sunshades. This sort of sand can be very, very detrimental to health, I guess. Hi, so if you want to channel, please subscribe. Subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Like and share my videos. Now this is Nigeria. This is happening here in Nigeria, precisely Adamawa State, Yola. Wow, we're experiencing a terrible sandstorm right here. Yep. Hello. So I show you what's happening in my area. Yep. So see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.